sisi kama inchi wakati huu, we are in a very stable position because our police officers are doing everything to protect our border. Your Excellency, the challenge ulikuwa na banditry juzi tumedhibiti, na I promise the country that tutamaliza. Juzi kulikuwa na shida hii Kerio Valley, our police officers wameweka ku upscale their operations, and we are going to get rid of all these bandits who are in this area, Your Excellency. And the same energy, the same power we have been given by the Constitution to use to sort out banditry, to sort out Al-Shabaab, is the same energy and the same strength we are going to use to sort out hooligans, people who are fighting in the streets of Nairobi, people who are invading police stations, Your Excellency, to steal guns, to burn police station, to attack police officers, to burn courts, Your Excellency, to attack judiciary, to burn also buildings and try to invade parliament and the courts and the state house. We are going to deal with them the same way we deal with bandits